Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've just finished my fortnight in Melbourne and I'm on my drive back to Horsham, back to the country, and it's a 3-hour drive and I actually really don't mind doing it. Like it's like the only time that I get to not have my phone and just like listen to music. I'm obsessed with Ed Sheeran, so I literally listened to Ed Sheeran the whole way. Maybe like the last hour, half an hour, I changed to someone else or like a random playlist. But yeah, I'm really weird like that. I just like to listen to music that I know the words so I can sing along. I can't consume new things when I'm driving. I feel like it makes me tired, so I can't listen to podcasts or anything like that, which is, you know, that's okay. It's time for me to think, and it really is when I come up with my best ideas. I've just stopped to grab a coffee from Macca's. I know it's Saturday and it is like later in the day. What is it, like 5 o'clock? But I don't mind if I can't sleep tonight because I'd rather get through the drive. And so I have a coffee and then I have my little snacks. So I've got my little packet of twisties. Always got to have something to snack on when I'm driving. I do try and get like a gluten-free something, but all the gluten-free stuff that I like is in the big packaging. If I have a whole packet of something in the car with me when I'm driving, I will eat the whole thing and then I will feel sick. So that's why I've got a little packet of twisties so I won't get too sick and feel too gross. So yeah, I'm going to continue my drive and I'm gonna vlog my fortnight in the country and may have a few updates on the salon. We'll see. I don't get the keys till the 30th of March, so maybe not yet, but we'll see. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I actually really enjoy driving. I feel like it's the only time that I actually like stop and like think, and yeah, so we'll see you back in Horsham. This morning I have PT and my PT is in Canada, so we do our sessions through Zoom and it's actually so much easier because I can literally do it wherever I am. All finished, we did a little bit more of a Pilates session today. So we had the ball and the booty bands as well. It was good. Yes, I'm that person that gets into their pajamas as soon as they get home. So it's been a big day in the salon and I didn't meal prep yesterday, so I'm just going to cook dinner but then also cook some chow mein for lunches for the rest of the week as well too. So you will find me here for the rest of the night. Lunch is all sorted for the week. Now it's time for Netflix. I'm just getting a massage. I get a massage every 4 to 5 weeks just with hairdressing. I've just got to make sure that my back and everything's okay. And I've actually got a lady that I've been going to since I was an apprentice. So, oh my god, it's been nearly 10 years. And I've also got someone who I go to when I'm in Melbourne as well, and he trained with Wendy, so they kind of work together. Thursday is our biggest day. We do like 11 till 8 or 9 depending on what clients we have in. So on them days we have to be super organized and make sure that we have enough food to get through the day. And so I've got all my snacks and water packed here, and I'll bring you along to work with me today. Stacey always tells me off for not wearing my glasses because like sometimes I miss like little bits of hair on the floor, but to my defense it blends in. But anyway, I will wear my glasses for you today, Stacey. I smashed out my last client, so I'm finishing like 15 minutes earlier and it's still daylight outside, which is nice. It's been really shit lately, working late on the Thursday and leaving work and it's dark. It's just like kind of a little bit depressing, so it's nice to finish a little bit earlier tonight. Jace normally cooks dinner when I'm working late, or I do sometimes bring dinner and have it while my last client's colours on, but tonight we have one of the HelloFresh meals. I think it's enchiladas, so we have enchiladas for dinner tonight. 3 minutes away and we have brownies ready to go. A little bit of a treat night tonight. Stacey isn't here yet, and she was here last night, and look what I found on the floor. So it's not just me that leaves little bits of hair. Sometimes you just miss it. Hairdressers get most excited about Saturday because this is like actually our weekend. Everyone gets excited about Friday because it's the weekend for them, but we've still got another whole day. So today I've got 1 colour and 2 haircuts, and then I am done for the week. Split this vlog into 2, so this is Fortnight in Horsham part 1 done, and I'll see you next week for part 2. Bye, see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2.